everyone, and a special hello to you for watching this video. Because in today's video I'm going to make a onesie for Kaylee. It's her turn for onesie. The way I make these patterns is just I fold in, the paper in half, and then I go around with the body around and measure approximately how I want the pattern. But yeah, I made it easy for you. So there is the pattern. I will show you a close up of the pattern just now. Okay, so it's the same way I make the ski pants or leggings for her as well. It's just traced around the body with the previous pattern. This one here, I just traced around the body, but yeah, as well, I made it easier for you. So that is how I make my patterns. Okay, so for this, I'm going to use a stretchy material for with these little bubbles in for onesie. I think it's cute for a onesie. Mine was just not long enough, so I just sewed two pieces together, but I'm going to put that in at the waist area somewhere. So yeah, let's get started. And there you go, our little girl Kaylee with her onesie with the hoodie. I actually That's why everything is different. My nails, everything is different here, because I actually forgot to put the hoodies on in the first video I made. So I just put this clip in here for now. So yeah, there she is. So yeah, if you want to see more what's next for Sally, then just press that subscription button and notification bell, and then you will see what's next in store for little Kaylee. So until next time, bye.